How's it going, everyone? This is Israel, your loan officer down here in Southern California. Today is January 13, 2021, and we actually finally got a little bit of a breather in the mortgage-backed securities market. Wanted to share this graphic with you. Wait for me. It looks like a lot of, and I mean a lot of people saw the reaction of the mortgage market all last week as they saw rates climbing and climbing and climbing. In fact, today's article says the following: mortgage refinance demand spikes 20% as borrowers fear missing out on record low rates. And it continues, 30-year fixed mortgage rates increased to 2.88 from 2.86 from last week. Also, mortgage applications for the purchase of homes rose 8% for the week and were 10% higher than 1 year ago. And lastly, down here, after setting more than a dozen record lows last year, mortgage rates began 2021 on an upward climb. And well, let's go take a look at the mortgage-backed securities market, because that's going to tell us what happened today. And here we go. We had 0 basis points. That's good. As remember last week, it just kept going down and down and down. Today, it looks like we kind of just had a little bit of a breather. Nothing really happened as far as the market, the treasury, and the bonds. And so that was a reflection of the mortgage rates. So let's go take a look at those. Conventional loan, 30-year fix requires a 20% down payment. As you can see, the rates from yesterday, they were a little bit higher versus the ones from today. Feel free to pause the video, and depending on what your FICO score is, you can see what the rates are that we're offering. Now, as far as the competition, you can take a look at their rates down here. Remember, these rates are tied to a 740 FICO score, the competition that is. And with that, let's jump on to probably one of the programs that's used the most when purchasing a home, getting into the real estate for the first time, as far as first-time home buyers. But not only that, in fact, I was actually I love working with numbers. And so one of the things that I noticed was I did a comparison between an FHA loan, which only requires a 3.5% down payment, versus a 20% conventional loan. As you know, or if this is your first time hearing PMI, private mortgage insurance, that's a type of insurance that you get slapped on if you go with an FHA loan. Why? Because banks, anytime you place a down payment lower than a 20%, they'll slap you with that mortgage insurance. Well, going back to my analytics, it turns out that if you were to go the route of an FHA loan versus a conventional, you're actually paying less in interest. Again, it's one of those things where I'll visually present it and also the numbers, and you'll see that in some cases, it's actually more beneficial to go the FHA route. And so just kind of keep an eye on that video. So going back to the rates, not a lot of change with us. Everything basically stayed the same from yesterday and today, but the competition is, as you can see, their rates did go just down just a little bit, but still, remember, these rates are tied to a 740 FICO score. Even at our lowest, or one of our lowest requirements of 660, we are offering you a 2.625 interest rate fixed for 30 years. If you were to go into any one of these banks, they would require you to have a FICO score of 740 plus. So just keep that in mind. All right. Okay, to conclude this video, if you are thinking about refinancing, as you know from yesterday's video, this Thursday, the Federal Reserve, and also our new elected president, Biden, are going to propose a new stimulus plan, as well as the Feds are going to announce if they're going to continue purchasing those treasuries and at what rate. Those are going to be critical indicators, because those two are definitely going to drive these rates to either pause their increase or hopefully continue to bring them down just a little bit more. So keep an eye on Thursday for sure. For all those homeowners out there, if you are thinking about putting your house on the market and maybe want to do the first step, which is knowing what the value of your home is currently, give us a call. We have a great team of realtors that would definitely help you on that. You just have to call me at 661-388-7667. And with that, may God bless this nation. May God bless you. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.